Hey there. In today's review, I want to walk you through one of the most interesting productivity tools I've used recently. It's called Motion. If you ever feel like there's never enough time or your to-do list just keeps growing, this tool might actually be your new best friend. Motion is more than just a calendar or task manager. It's a fully AI-powered daily planner that automatically schedules your tasks into your day. You just tell it what needs to be done and by when, and it finds the best time in your schedule, no manual dragging or guessing. The coolest part is if something changes, say you run late or a new meeting pops up, Motion reschedules everything for you instantly. It constantly adapts your day in real time to help you stay on track without the stress of reworking your entire plan. When you log in for the first time, you can sync your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. After that, you can start creating tasks, assigning deadlines, and telling Motion how urgent or important each task is. The AI does the rest, slotting them into your calendar automatically. You don't have to manually plan each day. Every morning, Motion shows you a personalized, optimized plan, all your meetings, tasks, and breaks neatly laid out. And yes, it even schedules time to rest, which most people completely forget to do if you're part of a team. Motion lets you assign tasks to teammates, track workload across members, and even warns you if someone's about to be overloaded. It's a great way to keep team capacity balanced and realistic, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. Motion also supports project management. You can organize tasks by project, switch between list view and Kanban view, and track the progress of each item. It's simple, clean, and less overwhelming than many traditional PM tools. It also includes a focus mode, which hides everything except your current task. When you turn it on, you feel like you're in a bubble, just you and the one thing you're supposed to be doing right now. It really helps beat procrastination, and for scheduling meetings, Motion is a lifesaver. You don't need to send multiple back-and-forth emails anymore. Motion scans your calendar, finds open slots, and suggests times based on availability. You just share a link and it handles the rest. There's also AI note-taking, which lets you write documents or SOPs, then turns those notes into tasks automatically. The newest AI Docs feature helps you keep track of everything from ideas to action items, and everything is linked to your calendar. Motion's AI even extracts tasks from notes or meeting summaries and adds them to your queue. You'll never forget to follow up on a meeting again. It's like having an extra brain that remembers and organizes everything for you. Another feature I love is how Motion automatically hides unused time slots in your calendar view. It declutters the interface and helps you focus on what's actually scheduled. It might seem small, but it really improves the way you visualize your day. You can also use voice input through Siri or even email Motion tasks in plain English. For example, just say, "Remind me to call the client tomorrow at 3 p.m.," and Motion will understand and add it to your schedule accordingly. The interface itself is beautiful and minimalist. Whether you're looking at your weekly calendar or your tasks list, everything is fast, responsive, and easy to use. Switching between task view, calendar view, and projects is smooth and intuitive. Motion also syncs in real time. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, updates are instant. No lag, no refreshing, everything just works. You can plan your day in the morning on your laptop and check in on the go from your phone. When it comes to pricing, Motion has a few tiers. For individuals, the personal plan costs $19 per month when billed annually, or $34 monthly if you prefer to pay month to month. This includes all core features like the AI Daily Planner, calendar integration, task manager, and meeting scheduler. If you're working with a team, the team plan starts at $12 per user per month when billed annually. It includes everything from the personal plan, plus collaborative tools like shared projects, task assignments, workload balancing, and admin controls. The pricing might feel high at first glance, especially compared to some free tools out there. But when you consider how much time it saves you each week and how it reduces the need for juggling multiple apps like Google Calendar, Trello, Notion, and Calendly, it's honestly a smart investment. It's important to note that while the basic AI planning tools are included in the regular plans, Some of the more advanced AI features like AI Docs and AI Note Taker are being gradually rolled out and may be included in higher tier options later. There's no completely free version of Motion right now. However, they do offer a 7-day free trial that gives you full access to all features. This is a great way to really get a feel for how it fits into your routine without any commitment. Of course, Motion isn't perfect. If you prefer to control every detail manually, the AI auto-scheduling might feel a bit restrictive at times. And if you often work in a language other than English, some features like AI-generated notes may not work as smoothly. Some people also report that they'd like deeper third-party integrations. While it does work well with major calendars and productivity tools, it's not as deeply integrated as platforms like ClickUp or Notion, at least for now. Still, if you're someone who's overwhelmed with tasks, attends a lot of meetings, and just wants a smarter way to structure your day, Motion is absolutely worth a try. It does exactly what it promises, helps you get more done with less stress. In my experience, Motion made a huge difference. I stopped wasting time trying to decide what to do next and instead just followed the daily plan it gave me. It felt like someone had already thought it all through. I just had to show up and do the work. For people who are self-employed, freelancers, consultants, or busy professionals juggling different roles, this tool is especially powerful. And for teams, it can really improve transparency and balance workload more evenly across members. Thanks so much for sticking around for this review. If you're curious about how AI can help you organize your day and boost productivity without burning out, I highly recommend trying Motion. The 7-day free trial is a perfect place to start. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who's always overwhelmed with their calendar, and subscribe for more reviews like this. See you in the next one.